Hey, Henrik here again. In this part I will review the HTML stacker. I'm in the editor at the moment. You can see the tab up here says in the HTML article editor. And again, you will have to put in an article title and just type in or paste in your text here. There are some problems with the editor because it's not a full-blown editor per se. So if I, for example, would like to create a link from here down to an anchor here or an anchor here or an anchor further down, I can't just highlight up here and click on the insert link because it doesn't give me an opportunity to target any anchors in here. So that's a disadvantage. So I have to do that by hand, or alternatively I would have to take the text here, paste it into an editor, another editor, and then come back and paste it in again. So I will stop the video here for a second and I will go to another editor and create those links. So I inserted the jump links here, so I created a link from create document title, which will go down here, and one down to create document, and further down to the next setting, insert the target URL. So that's what these links is all about. It's creating jump links to an anchor, being either create document or create title, so forth. So what I'm missing is actually to put in a target URL. The target URL I put in this instance is, I've already created a PDF stack, so I will target that stack here. What I want to target is the first PDF document in the stack, which is the Google Cloud document. So I've taken the public link here and inserted that, and then I need to incorporate some text into my article description. In this instance, I'm just copying what I got here, and I want to enter some keywords. So I inserted a few keywords here, and I would also like to go down here and insert a video, and the video should be the one I made for the PDF stacker. So I'll go and find that. So I'll go to my YouTube, grab the embed code. I'll go here and I want to insert it down here. So unfortunately I can't embed it directly in the interface, so I have to go into the code. So I'll go in here again and I'll go down and I'll find my little spot down here, which should be around because the pictures, so we will be somewhere around here. That's the design. So I'll insert it here. So I'll paste it in. I can go back and take a look. So I've just inserted just below, so I want to move it up to this part here. So I'll go in again, find the code, which is this one. I'll copy that out and I'll go up a further step here to around here. Then it's much better. So here you can see I put it above the image here. I need to write a conclusion. I'll do that, and then I should be ready to design my cloud stack. So when you're satisfied with your document or the text of your document, you go to the stack design window, and here you will have the Amazon, the Google, and the Azure and Alibaba accounts. So I'll have one here, so I'll choose this one, this account. I'll get the buckets for this account. I'll go down and find my mega stacker. I'll take this one. Oh, sorry, I think I will take the other one here. This one. This one. I'll add that to the stack. I'll get the buckets from the next one. This is the Google one. And the stacker here, I'll get the stacks from Azure and take the mega stacker there. So first on top of the silo of the stack I have the Amazon. Next one I want to add the Windows, and then I can add the Google one, and that's all I want for this little stack. So before I do anything, I save the article and the stack order, so save that. So I can load those again if I need them. And then the final thing is to go and create your stack. So it will work a little bit here, and now it's uploading, as you can see down in the to the Amazon, and next one will be the Windows, and then finally came the Google one. So that's all from this little video. I hope you enjoyed it, and get on stacking, stack away.